guys, it's me and Zaid here gonna be recording.
We're gonna be opening some packs right now.
Our team of the season, as you can see, 24 goddamn K. Let's get straight into it. Open some packs.
Okay, wait guys, we're gonna need to open some 15K packs first before we move on to the 35K packs. And I'm opening the first few packs right now to get all the bad luck out of the way. How do you feel, Yasin?
I don't know. What the hell? Why did you give me Sabadov? Quick sell.
Oh, we got Ronaldo, man. Rolando. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, guys. So we're just going to show you the first couple of packs and then we're going to show you the highlights over the course of the 24K.
Sure, Zay's internet's so shit, you know? Like before this.
Guys, by the way, we're just recording here in my house.
When we were trying to put in the FIFA points, like, it took us like 1 hour.
Hey!
Hey, don't be I'm kidding.
Oh,
What the hell?
No, I'm gonna send all.
Why'd you quick sell Doumbia?
I didn't. How dumb can you be, man? I sent him to club.
Oh.
Okay, guys, this is our third pack, and then after this pack, we're gonna.
Man, screw! I want a Deji first pack, third lip.
Oh, that was rubbery for a second.
Yeah, me too, but.
Nah. Oh. Okay, fine. I didn't quick sell. Sit down.
Are you? Okay. You don't tell me what to do.
Okay, guys. After this, we're just gonna be showing you the.
No, they want to see what they want. I see what they want.
Okay, yalla, Yasin.
Let me open these packs. Get that shit luck.
Control this to Yasin, and now he's gonna start opening the 35K packs.
You better give us some. Better give us some goddamn luck. Really? Like as soon as I get the controller, like, it's like just why? Why? Okay.
Okay. Yalla, let's get to it.
You better give me something, man.
Ah!
Stop giving us shit players.
Quick sell. We got Rolando again!
What the fuck do you want from us? 11K. It's me because you lost 7 matches. It affects your packs.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Guys, by the way, this is my account. Ignore the record, it's fine.
Yeah, because that my account is freaking undefeated. That's how I play. That's how I play undefeated. I'm the best player, grade 9. No doubt about it.
Why would you say that? We got Navas.
JJ, I'll take it. I want to go to the right to like.
Oh, we got the contract.
Oh my god!
Ah!
Suck a dick. God.
Yeah. See, let's do a superstition.
What?
Ah!
Oh my god, EA. Oh, never mind. I thought I kicked us out. Use EA. You know, like, we spent, like, money on this. You could have done this stuff.
That's not the CDM we want. That's not the Spanish CDM that we want.
Yeah, we could have got biscuits. Could have got biscuits. We could have got biscuits.
Oh, screw you, banger.
Oh.
Guys, we already have. Why are you sick? Ya Allah! We didn't get anyone above 82 right now. Navas was our best player.
Hey!
How stop giving us goalkeepers!
What even? Oh my god. Suck a dick!
Oh my god!
Suck a dick!
لا, it's okay.
No!
No, it's not bad. How much?
Freaking
Hey.
kid! No, no! I do not want that!
لا, I'll take the best player
Shut
so
up, you
far.
take anything!
86 rated, the highest rated so far, man.
Freaking, you know what?
It's fine, you see.
No!
Yeah, it's
No!
fine. It's fine.
We're back!
No, no.
Right. If EA wants to be like this, I guess I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do. I know what I'm doing, okay? This is one lucky guy, okay? He's getting 2K for free. It won't even look fast. Love you, Thompson.
What are you doing?
Shut up! Oh my god, Thompson. Oh my god, the best. Ah, 55 pay.
Quick sell, quick sell, quick sell, quick sell. Give me the control.
I didn't even open a pack because EA does it wanna make the club work.
Look. Well, oh, shit packs stop
Alright.
you from opening more
Alright,
packs.
come on. Come on.
You need to be
Someone!
positive.
Someone down!
Ah!
I did it! Oh,
Did
is
you
it
just use
there's
points?
3
Your
packs?
coins?
No, I didn't. I used coins. There's 3 packs left. Sorry, sir, please.
Guys, I'm telling you from now.
Food. I'm just kidding. Someone. Please, I beg. Just send everyone. You know, like if you ever make a team, you know what I mean? And all these, they do something. They do something, mate.
Are you serious? 12K, I got so hyped, but by the way, the mic stopped working when I packed them. Well, that's just our luck. As soon as I pack them, the mic stops working, especially for that pack, not those other packs. Alright. Guys, I'm just gonna open a silver pack, and let's see his luck. No, whatever, coins! Pack it! We bad boy killers! Let's go! Oh my god. I'm so hyped for that team of the season, but it took us 20 packs. Are you serious? For 12K. And then I wish you could hear my screams of joy, my happiness, my unicorn. Alright. Oh, 85 pace. You know what? Screw silver. These YouTubers like aspiring one day. No biggie, no biggie. I've been watching. You got a book. I thought that was Messi. I legit thought that was Messi. Oh my god.
Okay, guys. Nearly 10,000 FIFA points through. I'm back to open some more packs. Let's go. We are hyped.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
We just got 86 new, man!
Kill على أبوك!
Yes! 35k!
Let's go.
French Rouvier. Video. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Obviously you're new because this is our first video. But please leave a like and
Subscribe, man. Subscribe, like more videos will be out.
okay.
Peace.
Bye.